Hello! Today we are going to make a beautiful card using some new stamps and dies from the mini catalog that runs from January until the end of June for Stampin' Up. We are going to be using the Simply Succulents stamp set. And I've already put my stickers on this. This is a cling stamp set. And as you can see, they are very clingy. The stamp set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 images. And then there's also a coordinating die set that has an additional images, and this is Potted Succulent Dies. So you have some additional images that go outside of the stamp set. So you have another, this is an outline. So that's what that looks like. There's a little outline there. And this is more of a solid image as well as this one. Then you have the outlines for the images that coordinate with the stamp set. And then there's some label dies that have the beautiful stitching element around the edges of them. And then there is this absolutely gorgeous background die. Obviously, I have not pulled it off yet. Beautiful background die. I'm going to be doing some die cut inlay with this in another video and another card. So first, we are going to take a look at the sample card I created, and we're actually going to make it just a little bit different. I'm going to need those two dies from the stamp set. I'm going to be using Gorgeous Grape ink along with Granny Apple Green, and I'm going to use Memento. We also have our new blending brushes, and I'm going to show you how wonderfully they work. See how pretty that is. And then we are also going to be we'll need some foam tape. I use liquid adhesive for just about everything, so we'll be using some liquid adhesive. Here's a sample of the card that we're going to be creating. We're going to make this a little bit differently. I'm going to add some extra stuff in here to give it a little bit more pop. But what we're going to do is ink blend that green on our Whisper White or Basic White cardstock. I don't have coordinating cardstock yet, so I also ink blended my Gorgeous Grape on some Whisper White cardstock and then die cut my elements. I did a die cut inlay with this particular flower, and then I stamped my sentiment in the middle here on some black. This floral image is stamped in Gorgeous Grape over top of that green. Absolutely beautiful. But we're going to add a little bit more to this so you can see we'll actually step this up just a little bit, but I wanted you to see the basic card that we're starting with.